Back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can contact your Fiverr support. So, in order to contact your Fiverr support, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this profile over here, and then you'll find the option that has help and support. It's right above logout, so you just need to tap on it. And if you have a personal help or a specific problem that you want, you can find them right here. These are all the popular articles over here, like how Fiverr works, invoices, kickstart programs, and all of them. But if you can't find what you're looking for, you can just tap on contact us. You can choose why you're contacting them. I'm going to choose buying on Fiverr, carding payments, and you can troubleshoot, and you can also write a mail to them through here, and you'll be able to get in touch with Fiverr support. So guys, that's how you contact Fiverr support. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.